Okay, this video is to walk you through the installation of the GP1225ZD Printer driver, often bundled with AccuWare's label connector software. So starting off at the AccuWare website, homepage, AccuWare-inc.com, go to the support page where you'll find various resources for the label connector. Lots of useful utilities on this page. As we can show here, some instructional videos. Most importantly, the troubleshooting guide if you have issues at some point. Okay, so let's go ahead and just download the GP printer driver selection. You can see it's getting ready to unpack and download that. So just go ahead and let's just run the file. Okay. And it's almost downloaded with the file, 10 seconds remaining. Running security scan, Windows Defender. Okay, go ahead and elect to unzip the file that was downloaded. With your printer also comes a DVD that can do this same thing. When you insert it, it will start the same application. So we're going to go ahead and say OK, and yes, we'll modify the computer. This same application is available on the DVD that comes with your printer in the box. So, but again, it's always good to be able to just go to the same place we are when we're working on getting these installed. So let's go ahead and install the printer driver selection here. We'll agree to the licensing agreement. It unpacks the printer drivers. So we're going to go ahead and use a USB port and give you a message here. In this case, I don't have the printer connected, so I'm going to go ahead and connect the USB cable. And I'm going to turn the printer on. Wait a moment here to boot up, and should see the printer once we've, okay, took a moment there, but it's sensing that this is the printer that's connected, so you don't have to know which printer model to select, but we're going to go ahead and so again, as we mentioned earlier in the video, the 1225ZD printer. So let's go ahead and install that. And since I already had it on there, it's updating, but you would just go ahead and install there. And I've got this printer previously installed and programs using it, so you won't get that message that was just previously shown there. So if you do, just go ahead and continue through that like I did, but you shouldn't get that error message. I've been playing with a lot of things on this computer and installing the driver in various ways. So it's going to go ahead and load those drivers. When we're done, what we'll do is we'll get into a couple of the settings for the printer. The page size being an important one. Go ahead and we'll install that. Thought we were installing already. Go ahead and just elect to do that. Okay, and we're done installing. So now that the driver is installed, let's go ahead and go into the Windows settings, and let's go to the devices where it should show the printers installed. Scroll down here. Okay, so you see it's got the GP1225ZD driver installed. Let's right click on that go ahead and let's get to where we can modify the properties for this. Okay, because I'm remoting into this computer, it's not letting me modify the properties. We'll probably show that in another video where we're going to adjust the page size here. You need to go into the printer driver's properties, adjust the page size to agree with the size label that you intend to use in the printer, so that when it prints from Bartender, it doesn't skip labels, which is important. So we'll cover that in the next video. Thanks.